Well, from this angle, you might think that the wheels are real, right? Nope. No, they're not. These are actually paper wheels that I printed out. How did I do this? Well, over the years, I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers doing a lot of custom diecast cars by actually removing the rivets. As you can see here, those are the rivets. It's right there. So, these rivets are really impossible to remove unless you have a drill or a power tool, right? Well, I found my way around it, actually. Because instead of wasting my money and time, I'm just drilling out the hole, or drilling out the entire rivet, and just gluing it back together, I found out a cheaper, but a lot more time-efficient alternative. Hello everybody, welcome to my first ever tutorial on CarsFan 2023 on how to do tires on cars. And no, I don't mean using a power tool. I mean, you all need 4 easy things. Firstly, you're going to need a diecast, mainly a custom one you like to make, but wanted to give it some new wheels. I'm using this brand new Carla variant I made. And no, I'm not using the old Carla diecast I have. Next, you're going to need a printout of some wheels. I have these Acceleracers tires right here that I'm going to use. And then some scissors to cut them out. Warning, please use with caution. And a glue stick, or some Elmer's glue, any glue that you can use. So let's get to this thing. Firstly, you gotta cut up these all 4 individually. There you go. Now you gotta carefully cut around the tires so that way they don't look like they're just square or messed up. I gotta do this off camera. I'll show. Okay, I'm sorry about that. And I know it's several minutes later, but yeah, here are the wheels. All ready to be glued on. So all you had to do is take a glue stick, like this, or any glue stick that you use. Smear it around the wheel. And then you simply carefully put it onto the car. Like this. Then you gotta wait. Then you gotta do the same thing to the others as well. I'm not gonna do this off camera. I'm doing it on camera, so just to show you how easy the process is. But also a little tricky at the same time. And yes, I have a little bit of glue on my thumb, so yeah. So be sure to put pretty much a little bit much on here, so that way they don't fall off while drying. And make sure your hand isn't really gluey. Gluey. Alright, here's the wheels so far. Now, one more. Okay, glue it up a little bit before I... Alright, now use something like this or something small to press the rims onto the tires. Then after you wait for it to dry for a couple minutes, now you're done. Here we are, Carla Gearby version 2 with brand new rims. Now I actually have a photo that I did, I'll show you. So, yeah, as you can see, this is the actual edit I did of her. And yes, she does look a lot like Lightning McQueen. I don't know why I did that, but I thought it's pretty cool to do that. And yes, the reason why I want to give her some acceleration style rims, because I thought it'll give her a little more of a cooler aesthetic rather than just being a girl or being a actual Lightning McQueen repaint. Now, here's the Carter Gear Bee right here, all now fully updated to the new standards of Cars Fan 2023. Here's the little edit I did. And no, I did not use Photoshop for both of these. I used Pixlr. Pixlr is a photo editing platform that's also a cheaper but also pretty cool alternative to using Photoshop. Use it 3 times a day. Well, this is the official tutorial of how to give your characters brand new rims without even removing rivets or screws. Anyways, guys, I'm Carsfan 2023. I'll see you later. Saying peace.